So 64-year-old female is coming to you. She is having complaint of abdominal distension with pain. Now she is saying that I am having pain since many time, and also my abdomen is increasing in size, and you will see that there is abdominal mass, that is bilateral adnexal mass, and without shifting dullness, so there is no ascites you are seeing. And in rectal examination you see that there is induration also present, breast is also normal. So if this old patient is coming to you with abdominal distension, abdominal mass that is bilateral, you must raise suspect the epithelial ovarian cancer, because bilateral adnexal mass in post menopausal woman, epithelial ovarian cancers is very common, and most common is serous adenoma or serous carcinoma. And if it is rectal induration, malignancy or locally advanced disease is also promised here, right? So you are raising suspicion over the epithelial ovarian cancer, especially the serous adenoma, right? Now, so for that you prescribed some investigation like tumor markers, carcinoma 125, TVS, CTMR, diagnostic laparoscopy, all are positive towards the cystadenocarcinoma. So how will you manage? You will manage surgically, obviously, total abdominal hysterectomy, salpingo-oophorectomy, omentectomy, pelvic and para-aortic lymph node dissection if necessary, debulking of all the visible disease you will see. You will send the sample to the histology. You will also give chemotherapy like paclitaxel plus carboplatin IV. You will give 6 cycles. You will also give targeted therapy if it's recurrent, like bevacizumab or PRP inhibitors, right? And you will do follow-up. How will you follow up this patient? You will do follow-up with the CA-125 monitoring and imaging as needed. Now the result is arrived, and it can show various things like atypical serous epithelial cells, papillary structure, stromal invasion and all. Now what will you say to the patient? If patient came to you with early stage, you will see that 5-year survival rate is up to 70-90%, but if the patient came to you with advanced stage, you will say that 5-year survival is only 20-30%. So what you must know as a doctor, so serous cystadenocarcinoma is most common malignant tumor of the ovary. It is most common tumors associated if bilateral mass is present. It is mostly unilocular, and it is mostly bilateral, more than 50%.